Hello friends, welcome to the 24th part of the topic welded connections, where previously we understood some basic introduction on welded connection and advantages and disadvantages of welded connection over bolted connection. While in this lecture we are going to talk about types of welds or types of welded connections. There are basically four types of welds by which we can connect any two members or structural members, we would say. First is groove weld, which is also known as butt weld. Second is fillet weld. Third is slot weld. And fourth is plug weld. So today we are going to talk about each and every type of welds in detail. Where the first is groove weld. But before that, we'll see the diagram of all this. Where first is groove weld, where we can see that these two members have been joined by a small groove over here. And this is the cross sectional view, and this is the plan of the same. This is fillet weld, where a lap joint can be used for connection between the two members, and this particular portion where a small triangle is made is known as fillet. The word itself explains what you mean by fillet weld. This is the plan of the fillet weld. And the third is slot weld, where seeing from the top we can see a small slot is been fixed from the top and not entirely penetrated, but penetrated partially in the bottom plate and entirely in the top plate. So in this way a slot is being fixed to join the two plates. And the last is plug weld. Here a spot can be seen in the plan where we can see that punching operation is done to weld from a particular point, and here also partial penetration in the bottom plate is seen. But here there is a plug and here there is a slot. The shape of these two are different. So these are the diagram of all the four welds. We are talking about the introductory part for each. Each type of weld has its own advantage and may be selected depending upon the situation. Fillet welds are suitable for lap joints, as we saw in the figure here. Fillet weld is preferable for lap joint. Then groove welds are suitable for butt joint. This type of weld, that is groove weld, these are most preferably used in butt joint. Then it is found that fillet welds are used 80% in the steel structure design, groove welds are used 15% in the steel structure design, while slot and plug welds are also used about 5% in structural engineering applications. So we can say that most commonly fillet welds are used, that is about 80%. Then talking about individual welds, the first is groove weld. Here as we saw the figure, we are going to talk about this groove weld. Groove welds are normally used for butt joint, as we discussed. It is used to connect two members that are aligned in the same plane, right? As we saw here, these two members have been joined by a groove weld. Both these members are in the same plane. Line of action is same. The grooves have a slope of 30 to 60 degrees. This slope, if we talk about, let me show you the figure. This is about 30 to 60 degree slope. This angle we are talking about. Both of these angles. Various type of groove welds are shown in the figure. So there are 9 different figures for showing the groove weld, where first is square butt. This is the shape is square butt. Then we have single V butt. Then we have double V butt. Depending on the shape, the names are being provided. Then single U butt. Then we have double U butt. Then single bevel butt. Double bevel butt. Single J butt. And the last is double J butt. These are the 9 different types of groove weld. Then talking about fillet weld, these are widely used in structural applications due to their economy and ease of application. See, main reason of using 80% of the welding as fillet weld in any structural connection or structure design is economy and ease of application. It becomes very easy to use this fillet weld, and even economy is the thing. They are approximately triangular in cross section, as we saw. this shape. We are talking about triangular in cross section. So here different applications of the fillet weld have been shown. Here a gusset plate and a tension member or a compression member is shown here, which is connected by fillet weld. This is the side view of the same. Here a column and a bracket is welded with fillet weld. Here a triangular portion, but see here we are viewing this from the top, but if we can view it from cross sectionally, suppose here, then we would be able to see the triangular portion from here. Then a beam to beam connection is shown here, where angle is surrounded by a fillet weld, and a slotted connection is shown over here. Then beam bearing plates. See here beam bearing plates is connected with the I section by fillet weld. Then column base plate is also connected here. These are the spot fillet welds. The welding is done on the intermittent length and not the entire length. Then we have built up section. In order to make a I section at a factory, we can use fillet weld to connect flange and web. Then we have pipe connection to a plate. In order to connect any pipe with a plate, we can surround this pipe's bottom with fillet weld. The welding can be done in the surrounding. So friends, this is all about the types of weld. Wait for the next video and thank you for watching.